powerful nuts and seeds to support your healthy nerves. Our nerves are indispensable, influencing everything from basic tasks to intricate processes. When our nerves are content and robust, we enjoy sharper cognitive abilities and smoother movements. Conversely, compromised nervous system health can lead to a host of issues. Thus, it's crucial to nurture our nerves with the right diet and lifestyle. In today's discussion, we'll delve into how certain nuts and seeds can amplify your nerve health. We'll uncover the nutrients within these foods that bolster nerve function and enhance vitality. Moreover, we'll offer practical advice on seamlessly integrating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily eating habits. Stick around till the end, because I've got some exciting insights in store for you. Let's kick off with almonds, nature's crunchy powerhouses brimming with goodness for your nerves. Almonds boast vitamin E, an antioxidant that shields nerve cells from oxidative harm and fosters overall nerve well-being. Additionally, they're a stellar source of magnesium, a mineral crucial for nerve function and relaxation. Making almonds a part of your diet is simpler than you might imagine. Munch on them as a snack or toss them into your morning cereal, yogurt, or smoothie for a nutritious kick. Another delightful option is to incorporate almonds into your favorite salads for added texture and flavor. For those with a sweet tooth, almond butter is a delectable option, whether smeared on whole grain toast or drizzled over fruit. By regularly including almonds in your diet, you're hosting a grand feast for your nerves, providing them with all the essential nutrients they need to thrive and remain in optimal health. Now let's shift our focus to walnuts, those brain-shaped nuts that are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for nervy health. What sets walnuts apart is their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its role in supporting nerve function. Additionally, walnuts are rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, which shield nerve cells from free radical damage. Incorporating walnuts into your diet not only confers nutritional advantages, but also enhances your culinary experience with their rich flavor and satisfying texture. Munch on them as a snack or add them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a delightful crunch and extra nutrients. Experiment with using walnuts in recipes such as pesto sauce, pasta dishes, baked goods, and desserts to elevate your meals while nourishing your nerves. Next up are flaxseeds, tiny yet potent seeds that pack a mighty punch in terms of nerve health. Flaxseeds are teeming with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which plays a pivotal role in reducing inflammation and supporting nerve cell health. Moreover, flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, plant compounds endowed with antioxidant properties that contribute to overall nerve protection and health. Incorporating flax seeds into your daily regimen is a breeze owing to their versatility and mild, nutty flavor. Sprinkle ground flax seeds over cereal, yogurt, or smoothies for a nutritional boost. Incorporate whole flax seeds into baked goods like muffins, bread, or pancakes for added texture and nutrients. For savory dishes, utilize ground flax seeds in veggie burgers, meatballs, or meatloaf as a binder and nutritional booster. Drizzle flaxseed oil over salads or roasted vegetables for healthy fats. By integrating flax seeds into your diet, you're championing nerve health and overall well-being. Now let's delve into the realm of pumpkin seeds, nutrient-packed gems that are as delightful as they are nourishing. Pumpkin seeds are a superb source of magnesium, a mineral pivotal for nerve function and relaxation. Magnesium regulates neurotransmitter activity, facilitating smooth communication between nerve cells and promoting overall nervous system health. Adding pumpkin seeds to your diet is both gratifying and beneficial. Sprinkle them over salads, soups, or roasted vegetables for a crunchy texture and a magnesium boost. Toss pumpkin seeds into trail mixes, granola, or baked goods for added nutrients and flavor. Experiment by using them as a coating for chicken or fish, or incorporating them into sauces and dips. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your meals and snacks, you're supporting nerve health and overall well-being. Let's make pumpkin seeds a dietary staple and relish their myriad benefits. With that said, check out the video on the screen for more healthful tips. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, join the conversation in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.